Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. And I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
Shop Refined finally hit 1K subscribers or followers on Instagram, and we actually were planning for, I don't know if I can say this, but I asked Manaz and she did not respond, so I'm just going to go ahead and talk about this. So we planned a giveaway at 900 followers and then another giveaway at 1000 followers. So we were planning for some insane shit at 900 itself and a even better one at 1000 mark. But then we started promoting a couple of our posts where we started a campaign about refined finds. So I'll drop the link of Shop Refined in the description and you can go check out what that is about. Basically, you can give us your clothes, submit it through the mail, and if our team thinks that we can purchase these clothes, we'll purchase it and sell it for you. So something like that, go check it out, it's very interesting. And we started promoting that on Instagram. So when we started doing that, it was my first time. So it was pretty interesting to see the results, the insights, the promotions, the amount of people it reached, the amount of people, actually who interacted with the creative and then who went on to the website too. So I got to see all of this, and then I got to see who's the audience who's engaging. So we are still running promotions for a couple of our posts, so you might see it. If you see it, you know what to do. Interact with it. Yes, interact with it. Who knows, you might find something which is really interesting. Anyway, so coming back to the giveaway, so now that, Menas yesterday she sent a picture on the group and then we were at 1040 followers or something. So yeah, we already crossed 1K and today we are at 1070 again, so we are increasing very rapidly. Good for us. And we will be doing a giveaway where we'll be giving out three prizes, three individual people. So there'll be three categories. Now I don't think I can disclose what's going to be in each category. I'll just leave that thing out. But yeah, there will be three prizes and each one of them get one surprise gift that I'm going to give out. Apart from this, you'll get four more benefits. The free gift is just from my side. So that I'm going to mention, and we have four more benefits which you will be getting in this giveaway. So excited for that to happen and excited for you people to receive these gifts. Again, value from Shop Refined. Hope you like it, and if you haven't checked it out, you should definitely go check out what Shop Refined is. It's basically a thrifting platform for India, because we observed that in India everybody speaks about sustainability, and now everybody is speaking about sustainable fashion. Now that they've grown older, they started speaking about sustainable fashion. So when they're speaking about it, the problem here is they're not walking the talk. You've got to walk your talk, man. Walk it like you talk it. Migos. Remember that. Anyways, so when you're talking about that, let's do something towards it at least. You don't have to do all of it. Do something part time at least. Some of your expenditure, spend it on something which is sustainable. So this way you're contributing little. This over a period of time is going to be very helpful. So this is where this thrifting concept comes in, where people give in their used clothes. Again, we have a team which looks through the quality and they assess entire piece. So they have their own standards of how they're going to value it. So once that is done, that's when it goes back on the site. So this way you're getting a good product for much cheaper price. At the same time, there is no new production of clothes. You're just reducing the production of clothes. that is what this is about. Indirectly, it'll reduce your carbon footprint. So there's a lot behind it. Basically, you'll be helping, developing a sustainable environment through this concept. That is what Refined is, and that is what Refined is pushing towards people to understand the value of sustainability through fashion in a sustainable fashion manner. So yeah, there's that, and I'll be having a podcast out this Sunday with someone exciting who grew really quick in a short period of time, and I'm pretty sure most of you might have seen this person on Instagram popping up because at a point everybody was sharing this person's content. So yeah, that is pretty exciting. We'll be shooting that podcast on Saturday. I thought it was today. Got to know it was on Saturday. Anyways, excited for that.